All right, so let's get real about AI in 2025. It's not just some buzzword anymore. It's a practical, hands-on toolbox. In this explainer, we're going to break down the most powerful AI tools you can use right now, and we'll group them into 3 superpowers to help you create, assist, and just amplify everything you do.
To really get the impact of these tools, we have to see them as more than just a bunch of new apps. It's a fundamental shift. Like our source material says, this technology is reshaping how we work, create, and live. So let's dive into what that actually means.
I want you to imagine for a second. What if you had creative superpowers, like the ability to come up with an idea and then write an article, design an image, or even produce a whole video in minutes? And look, this isn't some science fiction movie plot. This is what you can do, like right now, with the AI tools available today.
So let's open up the 2025 AI Toolbox. We're going to cut through all the hype and get straight to the practical stuff. These are powerful, accessible tools that can seriously boost your success, whether you're at your job, in school, or just working on a passion project.
Yeah, what felt like a futuristic concept just a little while ago is now a straight-up practical toolkit. Now, to wrap our heads around all this, we're not just going to give you a long list of software. Instead, we're going to explore these tools as 3 distinct superpowers that you can start using today.
Okay, our first superpower is what I like to call the instant creator. This is all about your ability to generate completely new, original content right from scratch. We're talking about turning a simple idea into a finished, polished product in just a matter of minutes. It's pretty wild.
Okay, so let's walk through a real-world workflow. It all starts with just an idea, right? You can take that one single thought, pop it into a tool like ChatGPT, and it will generate a complete, structured script for, say, a YouTube video. You go from a tiny idea to a full-blown narrative, just like that.
So what's next? Well, you take that script and you feed it into a tool like ElevenLabs. What it does is generate an ultra-realistic, human-sounding voiceover. No microphone, no recording booth, and the quality? It's honestly staggering. The nuance, the emotion. It's almost impossible to tell it's not a real person.
Every video needs a killer thumbnail to get people to click, right? Well, with a simple text prompt, something you can type up in seconds, a tool like Midjourney V6 can create an absolutely jaw-dropping piece of AI art that will make your content pop. We're talking photorealistic images with an incredible understanding of light, texture, the works.
And finally, to pull it all together, you need the visuals. Tools like Runway ML or Pika Labs can take those same text prompts and turn them into cinematic, motion-filled video clips. Think about that for a second. You are quite literally directing a movie just by typing words on a screen.
And believe me, that workflow is just the beginning. The whole creative ecosystem is just exploding with these specialized tools. You've got Jasper AI for writing marketing copy that sounds completely human, Notion AI to organize all your research, Leonardo AI for creating professional-grade game assets. You can even get custom background music from SoundDraw or have an AI avatar from Synthesia present your whole video for you.
All right, on to our second superpower, the ultimate assistant. Now, this is where things get really interesting. This is where AI stops just creating for you and starts working with you. It's like having a brilliant, tireless partner that boosts your own intelligence and automates all the boring, tedious work.
A perfect example of this is AutoGPT. Now, this is not just another chatbot. This is an autonomous AI agent. You don't just give it a prompt, you give it a mission. You can tell it, research my top 5 competitors and write a detailed report, and it will actually plan out the steps and execute them all on its own. It's a total game changer.
And when we're talking about automation, tools like NN are giving the big guys like Zapier a real run for their money. The big deal here is that it's open source and often free to use, which gives you incredible power to connect your apps and automate all sorts of tasks, like posting content or generating reports, without a pricey subscription.
For any developers out there, the power of a tool like OpenAI Codex is just beautifully simple. It literally translates natural language into working code. You just describe the function you need in plain English, and poof, it builds it for you. This is accelerating development time like crazy.
And this whole assistance ecosystem just keeps getting bigger. You've got GitHub Copilot X, which is like a coding partner that actually understands the context of your project. Then there's Rewind AI, and this is wild. It creates a searchable digital memory of everything you see on your screen, so you never lose a thought. And tools like Taskade AI use AI to help your team brainstorm and manage projects. It's like having an entire support team on demand. Okay, on to our third and final superpower, the smart amplifier. Now, this one isn't about creating new things from scratch. It's about making the stuff you've already created way better. It's all about using AI to maximize the impact, the quality, and the reach of your existing work.
So check out this workflow if you're a content creator. Step 1. You use vidIQ's AI Coach to analyze your channel, and it gives you personalized suggestions for titles and keywords. Step 2. You edit your video in Descript, and get this, you just delete words from the transcript and the video cuts itself. And Step 3. You use a tool like Opus Clip to automatically chop up that long video into a bunch of high-impact short clips. This literally turns hours of work into minutes. So let's just do a quick recap of these 3 AI superpowers. First, you have the Instant Creator, with tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney that let you build things from nothing. Then you have the Ultimate Assistant, using things like AutoGPT and Copilot to supercharge your workflow. And finally, the Smart Amplifier, with tools like Opus Clip and Descript to multiply your results.
And that brings us to what might be the most important point of all. These tools, they are not here to replace us. They're designed to be collaborators, to be our co-pilots, to multiply our own human creativity and productivity.
So the real question isn't just about what these amazing tools can do. The real question is for you. With AI as your co-pilot, what will you create next?